So I just got to the Vera Clinic. My first step is going to be going through consultation, and they're going to sit with me and they're going to talk to me about my hair loss. They're going to help draw my hairline exactly how I want it, and they're going to give me time to, change it up if I need to a way where I'm happy with it. And I'm really excited to be here, and I'm looking forward to my hair transplant journey. So I just got done my consultation. Now they're going to take me to the operating room where they're going to bust up my hair and get started with the surgery. And we'll see how it goes from there. Now the washing's done and I feel excited. I feel a little nervous too. I'm curious to see how I look after all of this is done and going to the future when it fully grows back. Hi, my name is Faizan Khan. I am one of the clients of Vera Clinic. I've gotten my first hair transplant done with these guys. Yeah, the initial consultation went great. When I walked in, they basically told me everything that was gonna happen. They drew my hairline. Obviously, I worked through only pictures through WhatsApp first, so they were able to get eyes on me and actually tell me that because I have thin hair, I may need some changes in how many grafts I can get. I think all my questions were answered. At any point, I was able to stop my interpreter or the consultants and ask them any questions that I had. And I felt like they were addressed adequately. I would say highly professional. Yeah, everybody was very nice and composed and calm and happy to explain whatever questions I had. No real challenges or complications during the surgery. I think afterwards, just when the seat was raised, I think my blood pressure dropped pretty quickly, but I think that was probably because of laying down for a very long time. But as soon as I let them know that I was feeling dizzy, they lowered the bed again, and they asked me to do a few things, and they slowly started raising me with over time and offered me some juice and stuff to help me feel better. And yeah, the second time when they did it slowly, I felt fine. I didn't feel dizzy anymore. Yeah, they are a lot of instructions, so I know slowly but surely. I think the good thing is that I was given written instructions as well as there being an online video on YouTube. I think both of those together really help because, sometimes I might miss something in hearing or sometimes I might miss something in reading. So I like having those two side by side to know what I'm supposed to do. And as far as how the clinic did with follow-up, yeah, I think everything was great. Everything was attended to very nicely. I so far, I think with everything the way it has gone, I would say I'm satisfied. A lot of this will be determined, also after, maybe a few months after when the hair grows in and sees how the grafts are taking and how everything's going. Sure, I think the clinic facilities are very clean, very hygienic. Everything has a very nice look to it, very modern look as well. Lots of open windows and spaces, and that helps make a person feel comfortable when they're here. I know a few times I had forgotten to confirm a couple texts that were sent to me, but they still followed up even without me telling them that I received the text and stuff. So everything was done, I would say, really well by the staff. I think the price and what you get for how much you pay is definitely worth it. I know obviously back at home in the US, hair transplant is very expensive, much more expensive than here. So yeah, I would definitely, I do actually have a few friends who are looking into hair transplant and they were waiting for me to get it so that I could tell them how it goes. I was a little tired from last night, so every now and then I fell asleep for a little bit. But for the most part, it was really good. We'll see how it takes. I've never had that kind of a treatment before in my life for anything at all. So this is my first time ever getting it. So we'll see how it goes after.